QMS is often referred to as the collagen brand, and for a good reason. We've led the way in collagen-based skincare for 3 decades, from the first 97% skin-identical collagen to the 100% vegan micromolecular formulation. Today I'd like to take you through the story behind QMS, a brand built on science, not sales talk, a brand focused on results and not trends. QMS was founded by Dr. Erich Schulte. His background was clinical, not cosmetic, and this was what made all the difference. While working to improve the skin's healing capacity after surgery, Dr. Schulte started looking closer at collagen. Not as a filler or a trend, but as a structural component the skin depends on. What he found was simple. If you could restore collagen to the skin the way it recognizes it, it absorbs it. That laid the foundation for QMS and everything that came after. Dr. Schulte went on to develop the first collagen formulation that was 97% skin identical. It wasn't a cosmetic cover-up. It was a way to support the skin's natural ability to repair and renew itself. This innovation helped to establish QMS as the collagen brand, and it earned Dr. Schulte the nickname, the Wrinkle Doctor. But it was never about quick fixes. It was about clinically driven skincare that respects the skin's biology. The philosophy continues today under the guidance of Dr. Stephanie Fried. She has led the development of the world's first 100% skin-identical micromolecular collagen that's entirely vegan. That means it isn't derived from animals or plants. It's perfectly engineered using biotechnology to match the collagen in human skin. Because of its molecular structure, it absorbs completely and deeply into the skin, delivering firmness, smoothness, without harshness and irritation, and targets inflammation in the skin. What sets QMS apart is that we don't rely on marketing claims and mystery ingredients. We believe in education, in open conversation, and in giving both clients and professionals the information they need to make informed choices. Our products are designed to work with the skin, to strengthen it and support it, and help it function at its best. We don't just want your skin to look better, we want it to be better. That is the beautiful truth. Whether you're a therapist, a skincare professional, or someone that's just navigating their own skincare journey, QMS offers something different. A brand rooted in clinical research, focused on long-term skin health, and it's trusted around the world. Thank you for being part of the QMS story. If you would like to explore more about QMS, our products, our treatments, our philosophy, you're welcome to join us online or speak to one of our professionals. We are always here to guide you, and we believe that great skin begins with great understanding.